Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some fun bee Dollar Tree DIYs. This is going to be for my tier tray. I have a couple of ideas for you today. The first one, I got this great little chunky wood sign from the Dollar Tree that's shaped like a honeycomb, so I thought it would be perfect for this tier tray. I just went ahead and stained the sides of mine with a little antique wax by Waverly to give it a little bit of color. And then I also do that on the back of it because it's going to be a tier tray. You might be able to see the back of it as well. Now for the front of it, I'm going to cover it in this great burlap that I got from the Dollar Tree that has the honeycomb shape all over it. I just cut out a piece of it, sketch out the shape of the little hexagon here on the back and cut that out with my scissors. And I'm just going to simply Mod Podge that on. A really fun little shelf sitter or item to decorate your tier tray. Just making sure I get that really secure. I also go over the top of it with some Mod Podge as well. It should dry clear, and then we can go on and decorate this as well. I just wanted to make sure that none of my burlap was fraying. You know, sometimes it doesn't like to be cut too much. To decorate it, I'm going to use some of those little wood bees from the Dollar Tree. I know these can be a little bit hard to find. I know that I just got a whole bunch of them on Amazon, really inexpensive as well, so you can definitely check that out if you want some bees for your bee crafting. This is how the first DIY turned out, our little bee honeycomb. I think it's so much fun. For the next item for the tier tray, I found this great little bird cage at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Can you believe that? It's a little bird cage with little bees all over. It's painted black like this with like a bronze color bee. But I want the whole thing to be gold because I was kind of going with a gold theme on this bee tier tray. So I took mine outside with a little gold metallic spray paint and I sprayed it all over. I love the way it made it look, and it took away the dark color from the black. Isn't that so pretty? Now to fill it up, I thought greenery would look really good inside, so we're just gonna pop this open and add some greenery inside. This is the greenery that I chose from the Dollar Tree. I think this will look very neutral and fine in there, and kind of gives it like a little bit of a bush feel when I add it all together. Now, I don't really want to add any foam or anything to this to attach like the stems to. I'm just going to try to fill it up where it can kind of poke out on the sides a little bit, just like that. But I also don't want any of the wires really sticking out as well. So I secured at least that first one with some hot glue and just going in and filling the entire thing up. I love how this turned out. I think it's so cute. I can't believe it was only $1.25 for this. Just adding a little paint and some greenery inside, and there it is, another fun DIY for my bee-themed tier tray. This is a great theme for spring or summer. I think it turned out really cute. Let me show you how some of the DIYs look together on my completed bee tier tray. If you would like to watch the entire video or get more bee crafting ideas using supplies from the Dollar Tree, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!